Hey guys, Uncle Winston here. As you know, Intel have just announced two new Core Ultra 200S processors. I want better to pair those processors with the ASRock B860 Challenger Wi-Fi white motherboard. So let's take a closer look. This motherboard features a 10+1+1 power phase design with Octomos and large aluminum heatsinks for improved thermals and stable performance. It uses the B860 chipset and supports all the latest Intel Core Ultra processors on the LGA 1851 socket. Furthermore, it can run both XMP and export memory modules with speeds of up to DDR5 8666 plus OC. Expansion slots include one PCI 5x16 slot with reinforced steel for next-gen graphics cards, and one PCI 4x16 slot. For storage, you get 4 SATA ports, one Blazing M.2 PCI Gen 5 slot with the quick-release toolless design, and 2 Blazing M.2 PCI Gen 4 M.2 slots for SSDs, one here and one here. You get plenty of connectivity with a total of 16 USB ports, 9 at the rear and 7 in the front. These include one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, 2 Lightning gaming ports. It also comes with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 support, the Dragon 2.5 GB LAN, and the BIOS flashback button. This motherboard is aimed at the budget-friendly mainstream market and should be suitable for both gamers and home users who want an all-white motherboard for their PC build. To test this motherboard, we'll be using an Intel Core Ultra 9 285K along with 48GB of DDR5 8000 memory. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 4080 Super to see how the whole system performs. So let's not waste any time, put this into our test rig, and we'll see you in a bit.
This video was made possible thanks to Flex Studios, the developer of Rig Builder by Funkykit. So picture this, you've just learned how to build a PC after months of research, and you're ready to build your dream PC based on the budget that you have in mind. So where do you begin? Choosing the right parts for your PC build can be really daunting, especially when there's hundreds of brands and numerous models out there. And this is where Rig Builder comes in. It's our system configurator developed by Flex Studios, giving you the best prices from Amazon. One of the most attractive features of Rig Builder is that you don't need to specifically know the exact brand or model of those PC parts. With Rig Builder, all you need is 3 criteria: the budget you have in mind, your preferred CPU, and your preferred graphics card. Once you've entered your preferences and hit the submit button, Rig Builder will then go to Amazon to compile a list of 5 products from each category that will best match your criteria. You can now select an item from that list, and once you're happy with that choice, hit the Buy All button, where it will take you to a summary page of all the items you've selected. And when you're ready to buy, just add the cart to proceed to the Amazon checkout. I know, you don't have to buy from Amazon, but at least to give you an idea of what you can get based on your budget. You can give Rig Builder a try at funkykit.com/rigbuilder. We hope Rig Builder will make the process of buying PC parts much easier. It's free to use and is available in all countries where Amazon is supported. Thanks for listening, and now back to the video. In today's economy, one of the major concerns for consumers in 2026 is affordability, especially with RAM and GPU prices skyrocketing due to the ever-growing demand and insatiable uptake of AI. With that said, manufacturers are now looking to combat this issue of affordability by introducing more affordable products for the consumer. ASRock is one of those manufacturers, and for many years are already familiar with catering products that offer good value and affordability. They know the market very well, releasing budget-friendly and affordable PC components for consumers and gamers alike. And this is where the ASRock B860 Challenger Wi-Fi comes in. It's a budget-friendly, low-cost motherboard that's suitable for both gamers and home users who want an all-white motherboard for their PC build. This motherboard not only is budget friendly, but offers lots of features and performance to match. Now let's take a look at the performance of this motherboard. During our tests, we managed to get some decent scores in all of our benchmarks, including a Cinebench 2024 score of 2,324 points for multi-core and 134 points for single core. For PC Mark 10, we got a very good score of 12,270 and an adequate score of 17,723 for Pass Mark 11. For Procion's video editing benchmark, we got a surprising score of 56,191 and a score of 208 for the AI Computer Vision benchmark. For 3D Mark Steel Nomad and Speedway, we got very good scores of 6,813 and 7,665 respectively. And finally, for Port Royal and TimeSpy, we got very good scores of 18,656 and 27,203 respectively. The ASRock B860 Challenger Wi-Fi white motherboard is aimed at the budget-friendly mainstream market, so you won't get many enthusiast features. But having said that, what it lacks in high-end features, it certainly makes up in terms of performance and price. All in all, the ASRock B860 Challenger Wi-Fi is a decent performing motherboard that's aimed at the budget-friendly mainstream market. It's more than suitable for both gamers and home users who want an all-white motherboard that offers decent performance for their PC build. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com.
And there you have it, that was a quick look at the ASRock B860 Challenger Wi-Fi white motherboard. A budget-friendly mainstream motherboard that's compatible with all the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, including the 200S Plus. It has decent features that's more than enough for most gamers and will look perfect in any white PC build. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Uncle Winston for Funkykit.com.